Hey guys, after going through arithmetic operators in last video, let in this video see together um, the comparison operators in Python. So in Python, in programming in general, we will always want to compare two values. We would like to know between 15 and 16 which is more or less or equal or not equal to another value in Python. We will always want to do this. Let's to see together in Python how do we compare different values in Python. Let me clear the console for us to see clearly what is going on. So comparison operators will always return true or false because we want to know if a value is less or more than another value. Will always return true or false. Will return boolean. Comparison operators, this is something to always remember. Comparison operators will always return boolean, true or false. Let's see an example. Please print, as we have seen so far, please print 8 is less than 18. Here we have two values, 8 and 18. We are asking a Python, please tell us between these two values, what between these two values is 8? Is the first value less than the second value? Please, Python, tell us. We can go ahead and run that. We have true. Exactly, 8 is less than 18. That's the first comparison operator in Python. Now, the second operator in Python I will show you, this is the less than. Let's say we want to ask if 8 is more than 18. We'll just reverse the sign and go ahead and run that. Now we have false. The first time we get true, now we have false. Why? Because 8 is not more than 18. This is obvious if we are using numbers. Now let's try with some string. Let's say we are using string. I will go ahead and try. Okay, let's use the same, but here let's say I have by example apple, and here I have, let's say I have bananas. I have bananas. Let's go ahead and run that. What do you think? What will come out? Now it's not numbers, it's string. Let's see together what will come out. Now we'll explain what's going on. We have false. We have false. Okay, I will explain. In case of string, we will always be referencing to the English alphabet. Here, A in alphabet, A is before B. A is before B, which means A is 1 and B is 2. Now we are asking, is 1 more than 2? I think you can now understand intuitively why we got false here. We are basically asking Python. Python is 1 more than B, and we got an answer here which is false, which is basically 1 cannot be more than B. And let's now reverse the sign and see what we will get in the console. We are asking the same question. But now we are asking, is 1 less than B? I think you can guess the answer, true. Effectively, 1 is less than B. The first two comparison operators in Python. Let's go ahead and I will show you some other comparison operators. We have equal sign. We have equal sign. Equal sign, we are comparing, as we have seen so far, 1 and 2. Is 1 and 2 equal to each other? Let's run this and see. We have false. Why? 1 cannot be equal to 2. Let's now come back to numbers. Let's say we have 4 and here we have 4. Let's compare that. Let's run. We have true. Why? 4 is equal to 4. And the next comparison operator I will show you is not equal to. Let's say we want to know if 4 is not equal to 4. Let's ask Python to tell us it's false. 4 cannot be not equal to false. Okay, let's change the number here and try to put 3 by example and run that. We have true, which is 4 cannot be equal to 3. That's logical. And the next operator I will show you is more or equal to. Is more or equal to. This we are comparing is 4 or equal to 3. I will show you the difference between this one and what we just saw lastly, this one. Let's go ahead and run this, see the result. We have true. 4 is more or equal to 3, which means can be 3 or above. Let's do that. Which means is this expression is just telling is 4 more or equal to 3. If that's so, go ahead and print if that is true. If that is false, go ahead and print false. Now let's put here, let's try to come back to, yeah, we can have also or equal or less to, more or equal to. We can go ahead and run that. It's false. This we are comparing including the number 3. The same difference is now is that the more or less to operators, they don't include the number. They exclude the number, but equal to include the number. That basically the difference. I think that all, guys, about comparison operators in Python. The most important things to remember is that comparison operator will always return Boolean, true or false. That is. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.